here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very refreshing summer cocktail or mocktail, depending on if you want to add alcohol or not. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take some fresh mint. Okay, so I have some fresh mint leaves and I'm just going to kind of pull them apart, rip them apart, and put them at the bottom of the glass that you're going to use. Then from here I'm going to show you a trick on how you can muddle the mint just like you would with a mojito. But again, today I won't be using the rum. You can add rum into this drink if you want. So you can take the back of a spoon and you can just smash it into the bottom of your glass, and that's just going to help break the mint up even more, and you're going to know it's working when you get a nice breath of mint in your face. It's going to smell really, really nice and fragrant all the way up to your nose. Alright, so we got that at the bottom of the glass, and now we're going to add in half of a lime. So I have a little juicer here. You don't have to use that if you don't have to have a juicer in order to do this, but I think it just really helps get all of the juice out. So we're going to squeeze the juice of half a lime and then put that right into the glass. Now, since this is a grapefruit drink, we're going to squeeze a little bit of fresh grapefruit juice straight into the glass, but we will be using a grapefruit flavored seltzer water, so a lot of the grapefruit flavor will also come from there. The grapefruit is the only thing that's going to be adding a little bit of sugar into this. So we have that, and I like taking some of the chunks too and putting it right into the glass. Now I have our seltzer water here, grapefruit flavored. You can use any brand that you like, and you're just going to fill it all the way up. And if you find that this is not sweet enough for you, I suggest adding a little squirt of agave nectar or pure honey right into it as well. Now we're just going to stir it up. And then we can garnish it. I cut a little wedge out of the grapefruit right on the side of the glass, and there you go. You have your refreshing summer drink that's completely low calorie. There's 0 calories in the grapefruit seltzer water. The only calories are coming from if you add that extra sweetener in and the little bit of grapefruit juice and lime that we added in, so that's pretty much nothing. And if you want to add a shot in, that's going to add about 60 calories, just so you know, if you want to go more of the alcohol route. But otherwise, this is a very healthy and refreshing summer drink. And with that, if you want more recipes, you can go ahead and grab them from my #1 best-selling book, Eat to Thrive, the Anti-Diet Cookbook. That's on Amazon, or you can go to my website, katiesampayo.com. I have this exact recipe on there in my blog, so make sure that you check it out. All right, guys, back to you at the studio.